It was 3 a.m., and I was home alone. Suddenly, I heard a strange noise coming from the hallway. At first, I thought it was just the floorboards creaking. But the sound continued, louder this time. I looked around my dark bedroom, trying to find the source. Moonlight through the window cast eerie shadows across the walls. I could feel my heart racing as I got out of bed. The hallway seemed darker than ever, almost alive. I tiptoed towards the noise, holding my phone for light. Every step made the floor creak, echoing in the silence. The living room door was slightly open, shadows moving inside. I took a deep breath, trying not to panic.